Okay, first thing to do is you tie your cell phone to your dog, be sure it's on vibrate.
Let's see. Alright.
No. Pick up your phone. Do. Cell phone ready.
What?
Call now.
No. Get back to work.
My offer.
Okay. Now what are we going to do?
Call.
You're going to call her on the cell phone?
Yep. It's calling. The phone vibrates, so she came.
Good girl.
Did your phone fall off yet?
Yes, it's off.
Hello?
Good girl.
Hey, forget the phone. Okay. Hopefully nobody got